So I find the solution how to fix it with electric issues right here on the engines. If you can see right there, like metal scope that touching it, and somehow I guess it's ground. You can see right there. I unpress it, you see it stops. I press it more, it goes. So basically you need to solder this metal piece to it, the connector right there, you can see it, the ground unit. Or you can tie it up, what I will do with tape. It didn't work. Let's put some duct tape all over from here to here and see how it goes. Alright, after putting the duct tape, look at this. Motors are spinning just on that side. The most weird part right there, the piece do not even touch it at all. I break it by accident right there, but now it's all good. Like all the way up, pressing it right there, all the way down. Let's install it. So way too low. It's probably why it stopped working. Still rolling. Now it's finished. Let's install motors and see it.